Whether you live in a house or you'd like to buy a house, you probably want a dry basement, correct? Whether you use it for family fun or just for extra storage, keeping your basement dry is essential. In this video, I will outline the causes and signs of wet basements along with the preventative measures and treatments. There are numerous reasons why basements are prone to water damage, and understanding the problem is key to solving it and preventing future issues. Common causes include water seeping through foundation cracks that come from heavy rain, clogged gutters, improperly placed downspouts, or poor grading. A plumbing pipe that cracks or bursts, deteriorating roofing system, and failed sump pumps. If you notice any of the following signs in your house or a house you're considering buying, they indicate that a problem exists, and spotting signs early can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. These include damp or discolored walls, a white powdery residue called efflorescence on the surface of concrete, brick, or other masonry materials, musty odors, which may indicate mold, a result of sitting water, peeling paint or warped wood, and obviously puddles or persistent dampness on the floor. Now, of course, prevention is always better than a cure, so let's review some simple, effective preventative measures that you can take first before I outline treatments for water damage that does occur. Preventative measure number 1, maintain your gutters and downspouts. This means ensuring that your gutters are being cleaned out a couple times a year and that your downspouts are properly connected and discharging the water a minimum of 6 feet away from your home. Number 2, improving the grading around your home. So what this means is that you want your landscaping to slope away from your home, essentially creating a slide for the water that takes it away. The ideal slope is a minimum of 6 inches of fall over the range of 10 feet. Number 3, install waterproofing measures such as a sump pump, backwater valve, or waterproof membrane. A sump pump is a device installed in the lowest part of your basement, and it collects water that accumulates in a constructed pit and then pumps it away from the house. Installing a sump pump will cost you on average $2,000 to $5,000, depending on the type of pump and specific installation requirements. A backwater valve is a device that will be installed inside the sewer line connecting to your home. It works by allowing wastewater to flow out of your home, but it will close automatically if the municipal sewer system backs up for any reason, thereby protecting your property from any sewage flowing back in. You can expect to pay somewhere in the range of $1,500 to $5,000 for both the purchase of the materials and the installation. A waterproof membrane is a protective layer that is applied to the exterior or interior of your foundation. Options include a sheet similar to rubber or plastic material, a liquid coating that hardens, or a cement-based coating. These membranes prevent water infiltration into basements because they act like a barrier which stops water from seeping through cracks or porous materials. Material and installation costs will vary, but you can expect to pay somewhere within the range of $5,000 to $15,000. So now that we've covered some preventative measures, let's review what treatments and/or repairs you can expect if you do in fact experience an issue. Those include, number 1, repairing your foundation. Of course, it's always good to go to the source. For small cracks, the cost will be around $500 to $1,500. However, larger structural repairs can cost $10,000 or more. Number 2, if it was a plumbing pipe or fixture that malfunctioned, you'll need to get that diagnosed and repaired. Number 3, if a leaky roof was the culprit, you'll need to invest in fixing or replacing roof materials. Number 4, if you do have severe water damage, you might also need to budget for mold remediation, and that can cost anywhere from $500 to $10,000 or more if the issue is widespread. Number 5, most of the damage will be to your interior finishes, furniture, and storage items, so you'll need to take care of fixing and replacing those items. And now that you've had a problem occur, you're probably pretty likely to want to proceed with one or more of the preventative measures that I mentioned earlier as well. Water damage certainly isn't something you want to have to deal with, but it doesn't have to be the end of the world. By understanding the causes, staying alert to the signs, and investing in treatment and prevention, you can keep your space safe and dry.